What's up, everyone? It's Coon's channel here. Got my Sega Genesis Mini, and I would like to do an unboxing. So, without further ado, I'm just going to go right to it. I also grabbed my old OG Sega Genesis remote. I heard some people saying that the weight in the plastic and some of the D-pad might feel a little different, so we will check that out. So, let's see what we got here. Get your USB plug. Nothing there. All right, so that's a controller. Second controller. USB. HDMI. And this is what we came here for. All right, there she is. Growing up, I was lucky to have both consoles. So we were Super Nintendo, we had Nintendo. I got a Sega Genesis. We called it Sega. It was just a Sega back then. Get that plastic off. Go slow for you guys out there. Oh, yeah. So there it is. It's pretty cool. So there's your power. Volume slider. And just like some of the other videos online, definitely looks the part of an older Genesis. Very cool. Nothing in there, obviously. So let's look at the controller. Let's open one of these. All right. Now that's interesting. I don't remember when they put the red on the controllers. Yeah, see, like this one, I wonder if this is the later version controller. Has to be. All right, so let me untangle this, do a side by side. So it looks the same. Do some weight. I guess weight they feel about the same. Button clicks are louder. You can hear that for sure. All right, D-pad. Yeah, D-pad's got a different texture on it. Well, I mean, this one's a little bit worn, but it definitely feels, this feels a little better. This feels soft, I guess. This is not as soft. Well, we're gonna plug it in and try it. Not on this video. There's plenty of videos out there, people plugging it in and talking about the menus. I just wanted to give a good unboxing, compare it with the old controller. So that's all I got. If I will update the channel if I can add more Genesis to this. Genesis games to this. I'm sure you will, just like the NES and the SNES and the PlayStation. I don't go crazy with my modding. I keep the consoles, so I got all the minis. I keep them with whatever games they come with. So, like for instance, on my Super Nintendo, it's all the Super Nintendo games. My PlayStation, it's all the PlayStation games. So I know you can put other, ROMs and stuff. Well, not legally, but after you delete them for 24 hours. Anyways, yeah. All right. So if we can figure out how to mod this, I will definitely post an update on how to do that. Okay. See ya. Thanks for watching. Give me a like. Send me a comment if you like this. I was trying to not have such a shaky camera this time, so hopefully that worked out. Yes, I know I need a tripod. What else? I think that's it. All right. Thanks, guys. Bye.